To access your patient browser, click on the Patient Browser tab in the upper left-hand corner of Blueprint OMS. In this tab, you'll be able to search for patients using their last name or by using the Advanced Search option. To access the Advanced Search, click on this darker rectangle. From here, you'll be able to search for patients using either their telephone number, first or last name, or possibly their date of birth. You can also search for patients in a particular location by clicking on this drop-down next to the Home icon. A few additional filters allow users to see their inactive patients. These patients are patients that have been marked as inactive or deceased within the system, and they'll show up in a lighter gray color in your patient list. Another filter allows users to see any patients that are considered quick adds. These patients are denoted with a gray person icon. You can further your quick add filtering by selecting the quick adds only to view a list of only patients that are considered quick adds. This quick find field here will allow you to search for a patient using their last name. Some additional icons that I'd like to draw your attention to in the patient list are the calendar icons and the warning icon. The calendar icon here means that the patient has an upcoming appointment. To view these upcoming appointments, highlight the patient name, go to your patient drop-down menu, and select Find Appointments. This will pull up a separate dialog box to show you any upcoming appointments for this particular patient. The other icon is this warning icon. This, in conjunction with the red colored font, means that this patient is a cash sales only patient. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.